The term street art is described in many different ways, one of which is the term guerrilla art. Both these terms describe the public works that are placed with meaning and intent. They can be done anonymously to confront taboo issues that will result in a backlash, or under the name of a well known artist. With any terminology, these works of art are created as a primary way to express the artist's thoughts on many topics and issues. Presenting to you Team Urja, who will throw some light on this topic.
सुनो सुनो सुनो, एक तलवार की खोज शुरू है। सुना है जहां वह है वहां चारों ओर मरु है। सुनो सुनो सुनो, एक तलवार की खोज शुरू है।
खोज शुरू है, खोज शुरू है, किस तलवार की खोज शुरू है?
एक ऐसी तलवार जिससे भारत की सूरत बदल सके, एक ऐसी तलवार जिससे मानव खूब संभल सके।
क्या हुआ है, क्या हुआ है? आज के मानव को क्या हुआ है? किस तकलीफ ने उसे छुआ है?
चारों ओर गंदगी है, स्वच्छता का अभाव है, बेरोजगारी, भ्रष्टाचारी, सबका ही प्रभाव है।
मिल गया भाई, मिल गया, एक तलवार तो मिल गया। खिल गया भाई, खिल गया, सबका चेहरा खिल गया।
क्या है, क्या है वह तलवार, क्या है?
रुको, मैं बताती हूँ तुमको, मैं समझाती हूँ। A very good evening. In the past 4 weeks, our team has tried to talk about various different topics. One thing without which everything seems to be insignificant or bland, and that is art. So, our topic for today is art that can change the unclean India. Art is a product of a creative activity in which we try to shape our ideas to convey our emotions in a visually attractive form. It includes paintings, sculptures, monuments, music, dance, basically anything and everything that seems to be creative is an art form. But how often do we appreciate? Do we appreciate the artist enough? Probably the answer is no. Two major problems that our country is facing right now is cleanliness and unemployment. And Team Urja believes that art can solve these problems. Our objectives are to find the answers to these questions. How can art help us to solve the two major problems that India is facing today?
नहीं समझा, नहीं समझा, अच्छे से तो नहीं समझा। कैसे दूरी से बेरोजगारी होगी, कैसे दूरी से गंदगी होगी?
थोड़ा धीरज धरो तो, भव्य इनको बताओ तो।
हमने तो समुद्र को बाणों से ललकारा है, शत्रु के घर में जाकर उसको हमने मारा है। तो क्यों आज भारतवर्ष में शत्रु ने पैर फैलाया है? क्यों इस पावन मिट्टी में गंदगी का हर हर कण स्वीकारा है? नहीं है शत्रु भारतवर्ष के मित्र सारा जहां है, पर गंदगी इस माटी पे शत्रुता का निशान है, पर गंदगी इस माटी पे शत्रुता का निशान है। Spitting is considered rude and social taboo in many parts of the world, but in India, situation is quite different. How many times you have felt disgusted on seeing the corners of the walls spattered with maroon spit? Spitting in public places is a sickening sign that most of us witness every day, everywhere, may it be offices, parks, and now even in residential apartments. But it is very important, especially in Corona phase, to control this and thereby avoid further spread of this disease. खैर, यह तो है समस्या। आओ उपाय बताते हैं, कला से दूर करेगी गंदगी को, आकांक्षा को बुलाते हैं।
A beautiful and attractive environment promotes activity, spirit, and pride in the society. Apart from ensuring cleanliness and good health, an attractive neighborhood may lead to better behavior, or research indicates. As an artist, I believe that we can achieve the objective of Swachh Bharat in an artistic way. We can have the entire stretch of roadways, lanes, narrow lanes colored with beautiful and refreshing paintings and make it a picturesque and striking sight for the passers-by. Imagine a city with all the roads and pathways decorated like this. But how do you do this? There are thousands who need a canvas to showcase their talent and receive first-hand experience to display in front of the larger audience. Coming as an initiative from people themselves, citizens may think more before dirtying the premises.
खूब कहा जी, खूब कहा, हमने तो सब कुछ जाना, जो भी तुमने कहा हमने उसी को माना।
वैभव, क्या हाल है भाई?
भाई बहुत गलत टाइम पे यार तूने ये सवाल पूछ लिया। पहले मेरी लाइफ एकदम मस्त थी, मैं मस्त नौकरी पे जाता था, बट अब मेरी नौकरी चली गई यार, मैं बेरोजगार हो गया। एक हाथ में किताब, एक में कुल्हाड़ी, छोड़ गया कोई घर, किसी ने हिम्मत हारी, इस तरह से मार रही है हम सबको ये बेरोजगारी। बचपन गुजरा नहीं, सर आ गई जिम्मेदारी, बढ़ रही है जनसंख्या, साथ बढ़ रही है लाचारी, इस तरह से मार रही है हम सबको ये बेरोजगारी, कुछ इस तरह से मार रही है हम सबको ये बेरोजगारी। बट हम बेरोजगार लोग करें भी क्या, किस किस को अपना दर्द सुनाए? मम्मी पापा ने इतनी मेहनत से पढ़ाया लिखाया और रिजल्ट क्या निकला? कुछ नहीं, हम फ्यूचर में फेल हो चुके हैं। आज हर कॉलेज का बच्चा पढ़ाई की टेंशन लेने से ज्यादा ये सोचता है कि उसे आगे चल के जॉब मिलेगी या नहीं। क्या यही वो फ्यूचर है जो हम अपने नेक्स्ट जनरेशन को पास करना चाहते हैं? क्या करें, हम इस सच को जुटला नहीं सकते। द अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट बिफोर द कोविड क्राइसिस इन इंडिया वाज 8.5% on an average, and after the COVID crisis, the situation is even worse. तू ही बता केशव, क्या है कोई जवाब? क्या है कोई जवाब?
जवाब है। जैसा कि वैभव ने कहा कि जो बेरोजगारी है उसने हमारे देश की नींव को बुरी तरह हिला दिया है। इसका उपाय क्या है? कैसे कला से हम बेरोजगारी को दूर कर सकते हैं? तो देखिए, आज का जो युग है और आने वाला युग है वो कला का युग है। हम सभी के अंदर कोई ना कोई गुण तो अवश्य होता है, कोई ना कोई कला तो अवश्य होता है, चाहे वो गाना गाने का हो, नाचने का हो, खेलने कूदने का हो, यहाँ तक कि गेम खेलने का भी हो मोबाइल फोन पर। सिर्फ शर्त इतनी है कि हमें खुद को वह कला मालूम होनी चाहिए। कला हमें खुद को नौकरी दे सकती है। अगर आसान भाषा में कहूं तो कला हमें सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड होने के लिए प्रेरित करती है। आज का युग सोशल मीडिया का युग है, जहां गली मोहल्ले में नाचने वाला लड़का रातों रात बाबा जैक्सन बन जाता है, तो वहीं घर में बैठी हुई गृहणियां घर से ही सोशल मीडिया के तहत लोगों को खाना बनाना सिखाती हैं और उससे कमाती भी हैं। निष्कर्ष यही है कि कला हमको रोजगार दे सकता है और देश को सहायता कर सकता है कि जो बेरोजगारी की समस्या है उससे बाहर आए। सिर्फ शर्त इतनी है कि कला का उपयोग कैसे करना है, सार्थक उपयोग कैसे करना है, ये हमको पता हो। समस्या समाधान समझ में आया क्या? नंदिता, तुमने निष्कर्ष बताया क्या?
For artists trying to find their way, creativity will always be a winding path. Life is a wandering path sometimes, but creativity will bring you so much more than normal day-to-day of almost anything else you could do. Every time you create something, you have the unique perspective of seeing the inner you. With this, all I want to say is follow your passion. Art will change your world. A research points out beauty as one of the top 3 factors in creating social attachment towards one's own city or town. While there has been a growing need to maintain cleanliness in the city, especially densely populated areas, the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan has provided a much needed platform and sense of awareness among the masses. A beautiful, attractive environment promotes activity, spirit, and pride in the society. Apart from ensuring cleanliness and good health, an attractive neighborhood may lead to better behavior. Therefore, art is not something that will change only your world, but art is something that will change the world. Every step counts. यह तो खैर कुछ पीपीटी के अंश थे। अब उनकी बात करते हैं जिनके अंश हम हैं।
हम अगर कला और कलाकारों की बात कर रहे हैं, निर्माणकर्ताओं की बात कर रहे हैं, तो हम इनको बिल्कुल नहीं भूल सकते। हाँ, शायद हमारे विषय से इतने जुड़े हुए नहीं हैं, लेकिन शायद अगर वे ना होते तो हम भी नहीं होते। तो हम टीम ऊर्जा देश विदेश के सभी माता पिताओं को एक ट्रिब्यूट देना चाहते हैं अपनी पीपीटी के माध्यम से, कि उनके कारण ही हम सब आज जहां हैं, उन कलाकारों के माध्यम से ही हैं। उनके सपोर्ट के बिना हम कुछ नहीं है। साथ में हम ये भी कहना चाहते हैं, जिस प्रकार एक कुम्हार मिट्टी का बर्तन बनाता है, जब कच्चे मिट्टी में कोई कंकड़ पत्थर आ जाता है तो उसे वो चोट दे करके उसे वो निकालने की कोशिश करता है। हाँ, कभी कभी वह कठोर अवश्य हो जाता है, लेकिन वो कठोर इसलिए होता है ताकि जो मिट्टी की बर्तन है उसकी सुंदरता और निखर कर आए। तो हम 4 ग्रुप और 24 मिट्टी के जो बर्तन है, इसको बनाने वाले आप 6 मेंटर, 6 कुम्हार का हम बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद ज्ञापित करते हैं। आप कभी कभी कठोर थे, लेकिन हमारी भलाई के लिए थी। हम अंत में आप सभी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करना चाहते हैं। और एक बार अंत में हम टीम ऊर्जा आपको कहना चाहते हैं, आप अपना और अपनों का बहुत बहुत ख्याल रखें। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
हमने जो देखा हमें तो बहुत मजा आ गया. So I love the poetic version of it. I can't get it anytime right though, but I love the poem all throughout, and I love something really beautiful. That's your space of inclusivity. You included everyone, every bit, right from the parents to the group people to the judges to everybody, the mentors and everyone, and that's really beautiful. I should say your presentation was really, really, really amazing. It kind of gave a new aspect of how you could have social causes connected with art, which is like the most contemporary, most needed, something that you as the future of tomorrow need to kind of have a movement towards it. You addressed diverse topics from unemployment to cleanliness to all the movements which is needing that kind of that push and that space where these leaders of tomorrow will really make a difference. So I kind of think that today's presentation was one of the best that I've seen from the team in terms of energy, in terms of the PPT, in terms of the flow and the content. So you kept the best for the last. So you, the one who keeps it for the, you had the last laugh, I should say, and a big one that too. So great job, and thank you. Really enjoyed your session today.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
I really am amazed beyond words, because see, I may take little time. I like the poetic way of presenting the entire theme. Okay, the message conveyed was very good. It's very strong that art is all about creative thinking. It's not about colors or drawing and painting and everything. That's what normally people think of art. Art is a creative thinking. आप creative सोचोगे तो आप किसी भी तरीके से किसी भी तकलीफ का solution निकाल सकते हो. You can come to the solution, like unemployment, what Vaibhav spoke about, and Keshav very well said that this is a digital era. You can do anything. So that's creative thinking. So I like that message. Okay. This was an apt, I would say, closure to this season. The way you, like very well said by CG ma'am, inclusivity, where you included all the 4 teams, judges, parents who have contributed to your success, contributed to your life. So very apt way of, closing this entire season. Today is the last day of the season. So I really loved the presentation. I was in awe कि आपने आर्ट को कितने अच्छे से हर aspect of life के साथ आपने उसको जोड़ा है. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, and I'm really very happy with the creativity you have added to this theme of art and culture. This is about art and culture is all creative thinking. Culture is not forgetting where you come from, your roots, your parents, and you have kept that intact. So I really loved it. Wonderful presentation. Hats off to you guys. We are really, shocked to see the kind of presentations which are happening today. I'm just spellbound. Wonderful presentation.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
I think I agree with CG ma'am. This is one of your best presentations in this season, the best presentation in this season. You have actually brought all your creativity on board today. Wonderful.
So before Simona unmutes, I'm going to start. Otherwise, मेरे लिए कुछ बचेगा नहीं बोलने को. So guys, as rightly said by both Smita ma'am and CG, this was one of your best presentations. Totally loved it, thoroughly enjoyed the entire presentation. The amalgamation of art and science, this was an absolute amalgamation of art and science. Totally you brought out through your, poetic way, the messages and the wall paintings that you, did you all, during your research come across a village called Aluna Toda in Punjab? So that's,
मैम अलूना तोड़ा तो शायद हम नहीं पहुंच पाए, लेकिन ये जो प्रेरणा थी, हमारे बिहार में एक मधुबनी पेंटिंग होती है.
I am very aware of Madhubani painting, and I love Madhubani painting. So that's painted on trees.
Yes,
and Aluna Toda is a village in Punjab जहाँ पे हर एक wall is painted. So it's an art in itself. Okay, and this is an initiative taken up by a foundation to create not only just awareness for art, but to showcase so many other valid things that you rightly put out in terms of social aspects. So and go Google Aluna Toda and you will see the amazing artwork, and what you guys have brought forth today is amazing. So that's superb. The conclusion was very, very beautifully done. I loved it. और जो एक सबने बोला, and I'm sure जो मेरे बाद बोलेगा, they all will say this, that you guys have always picked up very nice topics, but आज का जो topic था, that was amazing, and the way you guys ended it was like, oh my god, we are literally having those goosebumps. Along with that, the respect that you have shown and the kind of gratitude, it's very unusual to have gratitude at this age, but the gratitude that you showcase for your parents, for the mentors, for your team members, it's amazing. So I think brownie points, जो भी आप बोलो, सब कुछ आपको आज मिल सकता है. And each presentation एक के बाद इतना अच्छा आ रहा है कि हमको ऐसे लग रहा है कि आज का संडे लास्ट क्यों है. This should just go on. So amazing. I have no words to say beyond this. I'll leave some for Simona and Pranavesh, नहीं तो फिर बाद में मुझे मारेंगे कि सब बोल दिया कुछ छूटा नहीं हमारे लिए. So amazing. Just keep up the good work that you guys are doing, and यहाँ से आगे बढ़ना है, नीचे नहीं आना है. So like we all want to say, all the judges want and expect that from you. Keep in touch with us. We really want to know what path you guys carve for yourselves, because you guys have really touched our hearts. All the members, all the teams. I'm going to say this to each and every team. I've said this before. I'll keep repeating myself because we really, really appreciate the kind of hard work you guys have put. Thank you.
Thank you so much. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
Simona, before you go ahead, one thing for you: don't cry. Don't cry. बाकी जो बोलना बोल लो, don't cry, बस. Yes, Simona, you can go ahead. No, it's okay. Go ahead. मेरा कुछ नहीं, मैं तो लास्ट में बोल दूंगा, आप बोलिए.
My Wi-Fi is doing a nice number on me, but in spite of that, I thoroughly enjoyed the entire presentation, and I think literally I have only one criticism, and I'm saying it ahead because the rest is just all positives. The criticism also is not a criticism so much as like, why does your title not do justice to your incredible presentation? Kya popat title diya yaar? Like I was like Unclean India and like a street, I'm like, oh god, and then suddenly I'm like, whoa, where did this come from? So I felt like y'all, maybe it was a strategy, in which case you'll definitely win some points. कि मतलब एक एकदम सड़िया title मतलब दे दो, फिर एकदम तोड़ू presentation करो, in which case full points. But if I was like one of those, well, a millennial, and I was like swiping, if I saw a title like that, I would have been like, swung, no, I'm gone. So that is the only thing that you guys need to be mindful of, because when you're going to be presenting on platforms where, you're like, no, why are things called clickbait? Because you get that 3.5 nanoseconds for somebody to decide, should I invest my time and energy on this or not? And everybody has the attention span of a fruit fly these days. So you need to compete that much harder from the get-go, the kind of feature image you choose for whatever you're posting, the kind of headline, why is that itself an art? So that's the only criticism I would, or constructive suggestion that I would give, that is one of the most important things to consider, because that's your hook. Now we are to committed. We are like 2 घंटा हमारा time इधर जाएगा तो जाएगा, तो whatever the title would have been, we are committed. But life is not going to do that to you. So that said, I want to say that the presentation blew me away. Like literally, I have nothing left to say. Everyone said all the amazing stuff. The team leveled up. You all took the presentation through an absolute spectrum of topics, which if you all had put that on paper and saying, "Ha, ma'am, we are going to cover this, I would say, I'm mad or what? How will you cover this in 10 minutes or less?" You all did it, and you all did it like a boss. Like, oh my God. So I just want to say, maybe it's because I'm hungry also, I skipped lunch for some stupid reason, but your team today, your presentation was for me like a plate of momos. Like, matlab, delicious. You know, I know it technically falls under junk food, but it's not. It's delicious, it's filling, it's affordable, it's understandable, it's relatable, it's inclusive, and it's very, very satisfying. So thank you for this plate of momos. I will not forget this presentation. I will not forget any of you either. And I hope you'll stay in touch. Like ma'am keeps saying over and over again, and she's just echoing all our sentiments. So there's plenty of ways to keep in touch. We don't need to spell it out, but we do want to see all these things you all are doing. We know we have not invested this time. You all have not invested this time for time pass. So we want to see that these minds that we're molding like lovely little momos, where are they going to go ahead in life and make us even more proud? So kudos, guys.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, अब मैं कुछ बोलने से पहले सिर्फ एक चीज करना चाहूंगा जो तुम लोगों के लिए सेकंड टाइम कर रहा हूँ. So I'll just stand up and just
thank you, sir. Thank you.
This second standing ovation for this team, I guess. The last time when you were dressed up and everything, and then second is this. So kind of मेरे end से standing ovation मिलना is like बहुत rare होता है ये चीज. Number one. Number two, when it comes to teams, yes, obviously I observe with marks and everything, but when it comes to individual, okay, I kind of keep an eye on individuals rather. Majority times I keep an eye on the individual behavior. I have seen a trend with Akanksha. Okay, I've seen a trend. Not a trend, it is a flight takeoff completely. On the first presentation, she was not completely well. Okay, so she started on the runway. Then she took off. She like धक्का मार के बोलते हैं ना फ्लाइट बंद पड़ गई हो तो धक्का मार के वो ऊपर लेने की जा रही है but नहीं हो रहा है. But second, third, she jumped on, and now she's on the seventh heaven. I don't know what cloud 9 that you can say, or a 37,000 high on the sky. Amazing things that you've done. Number one. Number two, I could see Akanksha completely from the start. She comes on the screen. She's like, okay. वो कहते हैं ना कि एक स्माइल चिपका के रख दो बस, बाकी कुछ नहीं चाहिए. वो स्माइल लास्ट तक मेंटेन रहनी चाहिए. That is what she has done, and she is beautifully presented. This is what Akanksha I believe in. Okay, Akanksha, keep up this good work. Keep up this momentum for your lifetime.
Thank you so much, sir.
Number one. Number two, see and sense the kind of upliftment that has happened due to this entire competition with Bhavya. Now I could proudly say, all the mentors, I could proudly say, I can just pat on my back saying that I made one youth development I made it here in this entire competition. एक तो मैं पक्का मैं pat on my back लेके जा सकता हूँ. And सबसे पहली चीज मैं ना सोच रहा हूँ यहाँ पे बैठूं नहीं मैं जज के लिए मैं नहीं बैठ सकता हूँ. मैं शायद यार ऑडियंस में कोई जगह है क्या? अर्शद एंड उर्वी प्लीज बता दो यार, मैं यहाँ पर नहीं बैठ सकता बिकॉज द काइंड ऑफ अमेजिंग प्रेजेंटेशंस आज जो हो रहे हैं ना, उसको मैं जज नहीं कर सकता. I am just coming as a spectator. I am looking at the spectatorship and amazing presentations that you people have done. So thank you so much. Ispriya, as usual, you've been great. Nandita, you've been great with your voice, your pitch, your presentation and everything. Energy. Keshav, to always you've been the leader of this group. So amazing. Hats off to you. वैभव, काफी हद तक आपने अपने एंड से ग्रोथ किया है. सो गुड, वेल डन एंड ओवरऑल ग्रुप हैट्स ऑफ टू यू ऑल पीपल.
थैंक यू सो मच सर, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
Thank you
Thank
so
you so
much,
much,
sir.
sir.
लव द लास्ट पार्ट. वो क्या हुआ, मैं ऐसा बैठा हुआ था, कुछ तो मैसेज आया था, मैं मैसेज पढ़ रहा था, अचानक देखा ये क्या है, ये कुछ अजीब लग रहा है, पता नहीं. फिर देखा कि अरे ये तो हमारी पिक्चर्स है. ये बट ये पिक्चर्स मिली कहाँ से आपको?
सर आपका जो पिक्चर था वो हमने डीपी से लिया.
हाँ.
जो 4 मेंटर्स हैं उनका हमने जो पोस्ट करते हैं इंस्टाग्राम से, उनका वहां से लिया. और स्मिता मैम का वहां पे था ही नहीं. हमने सोचा स्मिता मैम कहीं से तो मिल जाए, लेकिन स्मिता मैम का जो था वो हमने सर्च किया इंस्टाग्राम पे, कहीं उनका कोई वो मिल जाए. तो एक फोटो हमें मिल गया जिसमें वो थी, तो हमने वो डाल दिया. हाँ सर, ये आइडिया मतलब मेरा ही था. मतलब
केशव का ही था. अच्छा, ओके, ग्रेट. Thank you so much, guys.
धन्यवाद सर.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Wonderful, wonderful. All the best, guys, for your life. Anywhere you go, you're doing a great job, all of you. And you people are very fortunate that you all getting such opportunities, to groom yourself, to, present yourself. In our days, we never had these opportunities. We had the opportunity of directly becoming the judge. उसके पहले हमने कभी ये presentations नहीं किए. And I really feel jealous of this generation. I'm very jealous. If I had got these opportunities, maybe the things might have been different. But still, we are proud that without any facilities or anything, we have still managed to, reach wherever we can and wherever we deserve. But you people are very fortunate. You have got such wonderful opportunities. Make the most of it and don't stop it here. Whatever you have learned here, don't just leave it for the presentations or ho gaya aur kaam khatam ho gaya. Implement in your life what you have learned. Okay, what you have worked upon. You must have learned so many things researching on various genres and various topics. Implement it in your life and guide the next generation as well. Okay, we are very proud of you, and I completely agree with Pranavesh sir. I was really amazed, or I would say I was very happy to see Akanksha blooming so wonderfully today. Very good, well done guys. Very, very proud of you, and it is really, I have learned a lot from you, I would say. Excellent
Thank
job.
you so much.
Thank you so much,
Thank you
ma'am.
so
Thank
much.
you.
Ma'am.
To all the mentors, means a lot. Thank you.
Thank you all for joining us today and making this final episode a successful one. It has been a great journey so far for all of us, and we have learned a lot throughout this journey. Good luck to everyone. Keep in touch, stay tuned, and keep watching Connect Talks, collaborate, co-create, contribute. Thank you so much.